My dear students, today our topic is trend analysis, which is the part of the financial statement. This is the last model of the financial statements. In this trend analysis, student must have to calculate percentages for all items of each year, and then his duty is to analyze or compare all the percentages and analyze the statement. This is the duty of student. Today we take one question paper. In this question paper, 5 years information given, particularly sales, stock and profit before tax. These three items information given for 5 years data is available. With this data, student have to calculate percentages for all items. First of all, student have to calculate percentages for sales. How to calculate? I will tell you. Like this, for this stock, student have to calculate percentages. For this profit, also student have to calculate percentages. How to calculate these percentages? You see here, simply you write this question paper as it is in the answer sheet by putting these columns. First, years, 5 years, and sales. This should be divided into two columns. One is amount in lakhs, and another column is trend ratios or trend percentages. Like this, write stock. This also can be divided into total amount in lakhs and trend percentages or ratios. Like this, profit before tax should be divided into two columns, total amount in lakhs and trend percentages. About this statement, student must have to write or put this heading, trend percentages, in bracket, base year. Each and every student must carefully observe this point. First of all, which is given in the 5 years, first year 2003, here 5 years given, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007. Out of these 5 years, students have to take 2003 as the base year. That should be treated as 100. That the base percentage. With the help of this base value, we have to calculate for every year's percentage. How to calculate? By applying this formula. Here I am writing trend analysis is equal current year value by base year value is 100. This is the formula. By applying this formula, student have to calculate these percentages. For first year 2003, you put 100 because already we mentioned the base year 2003 as equal to 100. That's why for each and every item, for sales, you must write 100 towards 2003 year. Like this stock, 100 towards 2003 year. Like this profit before tax, write 100 before this 2003 year. That means 2003 year as a base year. That should be taken with the help of this base year. All the remaining years percentages we can simply easily calculate by applying this formula. Trend analysis is equal current year value by base year value into 100. Suppose for right 2003 sales here, percentage is base 100. For calculating 2004, how to calculate? You simply observe this formula. Current value Suppose we are going to calculate a percentage for 2004. We simply write 2340 divided by, that means 2340 is current year value, 2004 value divided by base year. For calculating percentages for the rest of the 4 years, you should take this one as base year as per this formula. So current year value is 2004, current year value 2340 divided by base year value 1881 into 100. With the help of calculator, we can solve this situation. Simply we will get 124%. Like this, for 2005, for this year, we have to calculate percentage with the help of this formula. 2655 divided by 1881 into 100, we will get 141. Like this, 3021 divided by 1881 into 100, we will get 161%. Like this, 3768 current year value divided by base year value 1881, we will into 100, we will get 200%. Like this, with the help of this percentage, we can calculate all the percentages with the help of 2000 year as a base year. Like this, stock also we can calculate. For 2003, we simply write 100 because 2003 as base year, that is equal to 100. Simply write 100. Like this, tax, profit before tax also, you simply write 100 for 2003 years because these are common. Why? Because this is the base year. Base year value is 100. That's why we write 100 for 2003 years. And then 2004 year, we have to calculate percentage for this current year 2004 110 lakhs. That means as per the formula, current year value 110 divided by base year value, 781 current year value divided by base year value 709 into 100, we will get 110%. Like this, 816 divided by 709 into 100, we will get 115%. Like this, 944 divided by 709 into 100, we will get 138. Like this, 1154 current year value by base year value 709 into 100, we will get 162. Like this, with the help of this formula, we can calculate profit before tax also. This is the percentages calculation stage is over. Now the duty or the task of the student is interpreting. How to interpret these percentages? You simply see here, when you observe the sales for 2003, sales percentage is 100. You see here, sales percentage is 100 for 2003, whereas in the case of 2007, sales percentage is 200. That means double the figure. That means sales are increased twice. This is a good sign for business. Why? Because when the sales are increased, automatically profits are increased. That's why this is the good situation. This concept, this idea, you should act as a management accountant. Every student act as a management accountant. After this preparing the financial statement, bottom of the statement, each and every student must write his ideas or interpreting or narration or the explanation, whatever hierarchy like CEOs, management or the owners. With the help of this paragraph, so called it as a report, with the help of this report, they will take decisions for further development of the business. So the paragraph is plays predominant role. So preparation of the statement is not enough task. After preparing the statement, every student must write his views by writing a small paragraph. That is more important. Whatever his ideas, whatever his comparing percentages, that ideas must be written in the paragraph. That is more important. Like this, we here start. During 2003, percentage 100, whereas in the 2007, 162 percentage. That means within the 5 years, 62% stock is increased. That is also good sign. Like this, here profit before tax, first for 2003 100%, whereas in 2007 209%. Here the profits are increased twice, above the twice. Why? Because here sales are increased just doubled. 100 is doubled in the 2007 200. Whereas profits are 100 is doubled, more than doubled, 2009. That indicates company's performance is very good. That indicates financial or profitability of the firm is very good. These views, these interpretations must be written in a small paragraph at the bottom of the statement and then submit that paragraph as a report to the management. They will take good decisions. They will plan for future performance. This is the style of preparing the trend analysis. I think you can understand very well. If not, please try to see this video twice, thrice, then you will get clear idea. If you like this video, please subscribe by pressing bell icon button. I will meet you in another lesson. Until that, bye. Thank you.